In our Hospice and Palliative Medicine Fellowship at Children's Hospital Los Angeles, our goal is for you to grow and become a leader, an expert in symptom management, communication, and supporting families whose children are going through incredibly difficult, life-threatening or life-limiting conditions. Our acuity is very high. We are the location for complex patients in Southern California. We have a great and exciting possibility of caring for patients that really hail from every socioeconomic status as well as every possible language.
Here you have all different types of religious backgrounds, of ethnic backgrounds, all these different languages as the primary language. And I think that is something that I found to be really essential, is that I wanted to get training somewhere where I would have the challenge and the support at the same time to communicate with people using an interpreter. Because if you can imagine, palliative care relies on communication. And how do you do that with an interpreter? I wanted to be able to feel confident with that.
I think one of the biggest ways that our program is really set apart from other programs is our incredibly cohesive team.
You have your attending, the fellow, nurse practitioners, social workers, and a psychologist. And so the support that you have is all those team members all the time. We always do a debrief after every patient encounter, so that way you can kind of be like, what went well, what didn't go well? And so you kind of have that ability to kind of be mentored by every person on the team.
Our fellow is a huge part of our palliative medicine team here. We huddle together every morning with our inpatient team, and our fellows help lead our interdisciplinary team meeting with all the members of the team, those who are both on service and not.
You kind of get thrown in fellowship, but the way that they do it here, they kind of slowly integrate you in with different levels of responsibility. So it's not just like hit the ground running with everything all at once. You have the kind of fallback of having this huge support system.
Children's Hospital Los Angeles is a fascinating hospital to work in because we truly believe we are a family. It's not just a place that people get up in the morning, put on their scrubs, and show up at work. It's a place where we leave our home and then come to our home. And that is a special kind of magic. We're also, in a way, like team first, because if we don't care about ourselves, who is going to care for our patients? So I think that one thing that really sets us apart is our real focus on our own wellness and our ability to consider how we show up for our families. I think the biggest reason to come and learn with us for a year is that education is really important to us, and that we want to grow you as a person and as a leader and as a physician in palliative medicine. So if you're interested in growing in a personalized experience, then you should come here.